realistic models of human organs could help surgeons train and practice before they cut into a patient, leading to more successful surgeries. However, it's been challenging to make models that are similar in size, feel, and complexity to human organs at an affordable price. Now, researchers have found a way to 3D print a full-size, realistic model of a patient's heart. They report their results in ACS Biomaterials, Science and Engineering. Scientists have previously made 3D printed models of the human heart, but the stiff materials they usually use don't feel or behave like natural tissues. When researchers 3D print soft tissue-like materials instead, the models collapse, making it difficult to reproduce large, complex structures. Iman Merdamati, Adam Feinberg, and colleagues recently developed a technique called free-form reversible embedding of suspended hydrogels, or FRESH, to 3D print soft biomaterials within a gelatin bath. The bath supports delicate structures that would otherwise collapse in air during printing. The researchers had previously only used the technique to 3D print small objects, but in the new study, they adapted it to make full-size organs. The team chose to make a heart model out of alginate, an inexpensive material made from seaweed that has similar properties to cardiac tissue. First, the researchers placed sutures in a piece of alginate, which held up to a certain point when stretched, suggesting that surgeons could practice stitching up a heart model made from the material. Next, the team modified their FRESH 3D printer to make larger objects. They used magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI scans, from a patient to model and print a full-size adult human heart. In addition, the team 3D printed a section of coronary artery that they filled with fake blood, which could also help train surgeons. The heart model was structurally accurate, reproducible, and could be handled outside of the gelatin bath. The researchers say the method could also be used to print other realistic organ models, such as kidneys or liver.